Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Metro Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're touring another house in East Cobb. This is a very nice house. It's 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 1 half bath. Brick and luxury throughout, nice craftsmanship. I really like this house and I think you're gonna like it too. If you are thinking of buying and selling a home, and you need help with the process, I can help you out. But right now, this is how this is gonna work. I'm gonna actually give you some stats in the next scene about this house, and then I'm gonna take you on a tour through it. All right, so once again, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions, and definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to show you this house. Let's get it started. Take a look at this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5 and 1/2 bathroom, custom 2-story home on a full basement in East Cobb. The listing agent is Sima Alayar with Capital Marketing Group. This custom home was designed and built by Capital Design Homes, and the floor plan is perfect for today's living and entertainment, located in a quiet neighborhood with 8 other custom homes. The living area is just under 4,000 square feet, with plenty of additional square footage in the unfinished basement. The entry foyer is flanked on either side by open space for dining and living office space. You're going to love the great room's wall of windows looking out onto the covered porch and opening to the kitchen with a large island, great for gatherings, and a breakfast nook. Upstairs boasts a spacious owner's suite, including a sitting area, a gorgeous bathroom with a soaking tub, his and her vanities, a large shower, and a walk-in closet. There are 3 other large bedrooms, each with private bathrooms and walk-in closets, plus a loft bonus area upstairs on the 2nd floor. The full daylight terrace level can be completed to become your own dream basement. The builder has made special attention to details, and it is built with incredibly high quality construction. This gorgeous home is located in Marietta, Georgia, in the Cobb County School District. Local schools include Mount Bethel Elementary, Dickerson Middle, and Walton High School. I'm excited to show you this amazing home. Let's start your tour.
All right, we're back. What did you think about this beautiful home? What did you like best about what you saw? Definitely leave that kind of information in the comments. I like doing these luxury new construction homes for you, and I really like the layout of this property. It flows really nice. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you have a question, you can leave it down in the comment section as well. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. And definitely, hey, my contact information is there. And look in the description for a free buyer's guide and a free seller's guide. All right, my free gift to you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. This has been Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, signing off. Peace.